Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm really excited to be able to show you this absolute icon, a bike that needs no introduction, at least for me, having been around in the 80s. This is Kawasaki's GPZ900R. Now, this particular one is a 1991. It was imported into the UK a few years ago from Germany, and it's an absolutely stunning example. Now, these bikes were made famous by their appearance in the Top Gun movies in the 80s with Tom Cruise, and more recently in the new one, I believe he's got the original bike that he rode in the movie back in it again. So these were absolutely idolized by, you know, youngsters in the 80s, and it's still an absolutely iconic bike today. It's a double overhead cam, 903cc inline four, and these would do over 150 miles an hour in the 80s and the early 90s. They were really a game changer, and they're still absolutely retro and sought after even today. So I'm really excited to have this bike ready for retail. So let's walk you around it and show you some of the features and show you the overall condition of the bike, which is very, very good, I have to say. So starting at the front end, we've got freshly powder coated wheels with new tyres on there. I believe they are Bridgestone tyres, brand new, literally done absolutely nothing at all. As you can see, the fork stems, the brakes are all in fantastic condition. Obviously non-USD forks on these with 4-pot calipers, but the front end on this bike is very clean and tidy. You can see behind the wheel, the paintwork, very few stone chips, the radiator guard and everything like that is fully intact. In fact, all the bodywork is fully intact on this bike. There's no splits or cracks. None of the fixings are coming loose. It's in very, very good condition. Now, it's not a concourse bike this. If you're looking for a concourse bike, you'll probably pay twice as much. But if you're looking for a retro daily rider, or you're looking to bring this up to concourse level, this is a very, very good starting platform. You can see it's got the original black chrome exhaust, which are in good condition. There's no rust. This bike has regularly been treated with ACF 50 to avoid any corrosion. Again, rear brakes are in fantastic condition, matching Bridgestone on the rear, which is brand new, and the bodywork, as you can see, is in very good condition. The eagle-eyed amongst you will notice this is not the original seat. We can get the original seat from the previous owner if you want it. It's also fitted with a rack on the back as well. Original indicators, which are nearly new. You know, the bike's obviously been treated very well. It's been updated with a lot of newer parts. You can see it's had recent grips. The mirrors are in good condition, no scratching on the ends or anything like that. It's a really, really nice bike, this, and it is a rideable bike. You know, you could use this every day if you wanted to. It's covered just over 19,000 miles, you know, which for a bike of this age is absolutely nothing at all. So headlights in good condition, there's no cracks or anything like that. The bodywork hasn't split around the headlight fairing. We've got an aftermarket MRA screen on there with a slight tint, slightly double bubbled, but very similar to the original part that would have come with the bike. Again, on this side, it's very much the same, very clean and tidy. You know, obviously you're going to find the odd mark here and there. There's a few marks just here, as you can see on the bottom of the engine casings. As I say, the bike isn't concourse, but it's a very, very nice example. This will get a lot of attention if and when you take this to a bike meet. Again, got the matching black chrome exhaust on this side. All the original decals are still present, and you can see that we've got some recent chain and sprockets on the bike as well. We've got some history with the bike, lots of paperwork from prior to it being brought into the UK. Obviously we've got the logbook, and it's MOT'd as well. All the original switch gear are all present. The yokes are in fantastic condition. There's no scratching or scuffing on the yokes at all. Original clocks, there you can see, is actually in kilometres, 29,000 kilometres, so just over 19,000 miles. The exact figure is obviously on our website. So without further ado, let's give her a start up. So chokes on. Wow, for it to start up that quickly, you know, for an older bike that's not been ridden a lot, let's face it, it runs better than some of the newer bikes that we get into stock. It's absolutely unreal. It's a fantastic bit of kit, this, and you know, a nice thing for someone to have in their collection if they wanted. I'd love to see this go to a home where someone's actually going to ride it and we can get to see it out on the road as it should be. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. They also come with free delivery as well. We do offer a part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any questions about the bike, you'd like to come and see it, please feel free to reach out. We're on WhatsApp, we've got live chat on our website and on Auto Trader. Of course, you can give us a call or an email, or pop into the showroom for a chat and a coffee. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.